dates, pomegranate, sweet lime, and pineapple for diabetic population. So talking about the introduction, gummy candies are one of the most common type of confectionery items, and stating that love for candy. Everyone love candies, be it a small baby or an old age people. And generally, gummy candies are made up of ingredients like concentrated sugars, solution, gelling agents, and other preservatives as well as additives. Gummies are more convenient for supplementation due to their good taste, attractiveness, chewability, and versatility as a viable alternate to supplementary pills. No one likes to consume pills or say any bitter tasting ingredient, but when we talk about candies, everyone loves to have one or two here and there, particularly the population who are asked not to consume them. So we have come up with a supplemental form of candies which is very much diabetic friendly and has lots of nutrients. Fruits just like pomegranate, sweet lime, and pineapple serve as a reservoir of energy, vitamins, minerals, and dietary fiber, and they provides a natural taste to gummy candies. Dates are a rich source of carbohydrate, fiber, protein, vitamins, minerals, including iron, calcium, and various antioxidants, which contribute to medical and nutritional benefits of the food. So, why we did this study? The purpose of the study. In the modern world, not only children but adults are also habitual of consuming sweet packed food like candies, energy bars, papads. These packed foods are loaded with additives, sugar, and fat, and because of that, we have formulated a nutritionally superior alternative to packaged sugary product, which is sugar-free gummy candy. And talking about the market size, the estimated market size of candy is USD 66.65 billion, which was in 2023. Talking about 2028, it will be 80.39 billion USD. Due to the growing demand for candies, the need for development of healthy alternate was felt, so the healthy candy was developed. Vegetarian gelatin is used to produce vegan products to cater to vegetarians and those with specific dietary restrictions, be it religious or preferences. So the aim of the study was to develop sugar-free gummy candies from dates, pomegranate, sweet lime, and pineapple. Objectives included standardizing and developing the product, then doing organoleptic evaluation, followed by nutritive properties, then microbial activity and production of shelf life analysis. Talking about materials and methods used in phase one, we did the procurement of raw ingredients, processing of raw ingredients, recipe standardization, and sample variation. Then in phase two, the product was subjected to organoleptic evaluation, or we can say sensory evaluation. Then in phase three, nutritional and shelf life analysis of the product was done. And finally, we did some statistical analysis just like MHP and TOPSIS to find out the best product. So in phase one, from the images you can see the preparation of product. Then we have sample variations. We prepared four different samples. T0B was the control, and T1B, T2B, and T3B, they have varying amount of date syrup. Sensory evaluation. Firstly, the triangle test was performed to identify the panelists who are good with their senses and they can evaluate a product on 9-point hedonic scale. Then 9-point hedonic scale test was done for sample T0 to T3B. Then proximate analysis, total carbohydrate content, fat content, protein content, energy, iron, and calcium were calculated. Shelf life analysis was done and accelerated shelf life analysis method was used to find out the shelf life of the product. Talking about statistical analysis, we have used ANOVA, chi-square test, Kruskal-Wallis test, MAHP, and TOPSIS. So talking about the results and discussions, fruits and dates are a good source of nutrients and antioxidants due to which they have natural therapeutic properties. This study succeeded in making gummy candies that are sugar-free, pocket-friendly, and nutrient-dense alternate to gummies present in the market. According to the stats, sample T2B, which had 15 ml of date syrup, was found to be most acceptable in sensory and nutritional characteristics. The stats also stated that the developed samples were different from each other in various contents. Talking about the graphical representation of sensory evaluation, T2B was the most liked sample with a accept acceptability score of 8.3 on a 9 scale. Talking about the nutritional analysis, T2B had 110 kilocalories per 100 gram, 14.85 gram carbohydrate per 100 gram, 12 gram of protein per 100 gram, 0 gram fat. It was devoid of any type of fat. 4.37 mg of iron and 135.02 mg of calcium per 100 gram. Talking about shelf life, the shelf life of sample T2B was more than 3 months. Talking about summary and conclusion, sugar-free gummy candies are nutritive and healthy alternate for the gummies present in the market, which are loaded with sugar, preservatives, and additives. It is a good alternate because it includes dates, which are a good source of various nutrients, including iron and natural sugars, fruits for natural taste and antioxidant rich, vegetarian gelatin or vegan gelatin, a vegan product developed to cater to vegetarians and those with specific dietary restrictions. And four samples were prepared: T0B, T1B, T2B, and T3B, among which T2B, containing 15 ml of date syrup, was found to be the best one. Thank you.